I have a quick tip for the girls. So if you have a check engine light on, this can clear it. Let me just say I'm not a mechanic, but I just know how to do this. So this thing goes under here like so, and then it plugs in, and it's gonna turn on, scan, clear, and then press clear. Ignition's already on. And then you wait for it to go off. Oh shit, I forgot to press OK. My bad. There it goes. And it's not gonna clear the change engine, but I definitely need to do that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all you gotta do. Then unplug it.